Good morning, dear children. Today, ma'am will ask you some questions. But before that, let me tell you what is a question. A question is asked when we want information about something, like, what is this? This is a pen. What is its color? It is black in color. Why do we use a pen? We use a pen to write. How many pens are these? These are 3 pens. So, did you see, children? These are some of the examples of questions like, what is this? What is the color of this pen? How many pens are there? Why do we use a pen? So, all these are questions. Now, these questions begin with special words called question words, like what, why, how many. So all these are question words. There are many other question words, but I have told you about a few question words. Now these question words, these sentences, the question sentences, as I told you, begin with special words like what, how many, what is this? And they end with a question mark. Now, when we write a sentence begins with a capital letter, as I told you, and it ends with a full stop. Questions also begin with a capital letter, but it begins with a special word, a question word, and it ends with a question mark. So this is a question mark. This is a question mark. Today we will specially do questions beginning with what, like, what is this? This is a pen. What is this? This is a pencil. What is this? This is a ruler. What is this? This is a battery. What is this? This is a sharpener. Now all these things are single. They are singular. One pen, one pencil, one battery, one sharpener, one ruler. So we use what is this? The question is, what is this? But when there are more than one things, when there are many things, then we ask the question, what are these? These are pens. What are these? Sorry. These are batteries. What are these? These are sharpeners. So, children, these are a few questions beginning with what are these and what is this? Okay, what is this? This is a pen. What are these? These are pencils. Okay, now how do we write them? Let us see how do we write them in the notebook. Ma'am will also take one pen. Now our first question in this is, what is this? So this is a bat. So how do we write? We will start with the capital letter because we are writing a sentence, the answer. So we will start with the capital letter. So this is a bat. Now what is the spelling of this? we will see the spelling of this which is there in the question itself. This. But we will begin it with a capital letter. Capital T. H. Sorry, it is going out of lines. Please you write carefully, children. This. Is a, because there is only one bat, so we are writing a. And bat. Spelling of bat you all know. B A T, bat. And we end this sentence with a full stop. Okay. So once again, what is this? Question mark. This ma'am will give you this question. You will have to write the answer. This is a bat, full stop. Our next question is, what is this? Now what is this, children? A rat. So we will write, what will we write in the answer? This is a rat. Okay. So spelling of this we will see from the question, THIS. But we will begin it with a capital letter and we will touch the margin and write THIS. This is also written in the question. Okay. Is a, because there is a single rat, one rat, so we will write a rat. A, and then spelling of rat is R A T, rat, and we will put a full stop. This is a rat. Our next question is, what are these? Now these are pots, and there are many pots, more than one pots. So what are these? Our answer will be, these are pots. Spelling of these we will take from the question itself. THESE, it is written in the question, these. So we will start our sentence with these are pots. So THESE, we will just begin it with a capital letter THESE. These. Spelling of R is also there in the question. R. These are. A-R-E. These are. Now pots, because there are more than one pots. So P-O-T, and what will we write? S. P-O-T-S, pots, and we will put a full stop. These are pots. Our next question is, what are these? Now these are cats. So we will write here, these are cats. Again, there are more than one, so we will write cats. So begin this answer with these. Spelling of these is written in the question. These. R is also written in the question. These are cats. Now you know the spelling of cats. So you will write the spelling of cats, C-A-T and S, and put a full stop. Alright, children. Okay, bye. Happy learning. Do this sheet very beautifully. Write beautiful handwriting. Okay, bye bye.